Today, we'll be taking a look at the drive motor on this Whirlpool top-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To start, we've gone ahead and put the unit on its side, and in order to access the portion under here, we need to remove this pulley cover. It is held on by two 5/16 screws, one on the bottom, then one on the top. We will lift off on the cover and set it to the side. Now that we have the cover removed, we have clear access to our drive motor. Now the main reasons why you'd be replacing your drive motor is if the unit will not spin or agitate, or it may be stopping in the middle of the cycle and will not spin or agitate during that time. Now the more common thing that I'll find is that this pulley will be reamed off. If this pulley is taken off this motor shaft, the motor will need to be replaced. But also you may find that in the middle of the cycle, if it stops, it'll smell like it's burning, an electrical burning smell almost. If that's the case, also the motor will need to be replaced. Now to start, let's go ahead and take the belt off by pulling it off the main pulley here. And then let's remove the Molex to the motor. Now you have two 1/2-inch bolts. They're holding it on. Let's take the first one out. Hold on to the motor while we're taking the second. Remove the bolt, pull out on the motor, and set it to the side. When installing our new motor, let's start by sliding it in at an angle, and then let's line up our first bolt on the top. Just kind of twist it by hand to start. And let's do the same for the bottom. Now tighten them up. Let's go ahead and plug back in our Molex and of course reinstall the belt. We'll do this by sliding on the motor side first, wrap it around the main pulley, twist until it goes around, but make sure you're pushing down on this portion by the motor so that it lines up on the motor pulley. Now we can reinstall the cover. When reinstalling your pulley cover, first just simply line it up. And we are going to put the bottom screw in first, just to make sure we keep lined up at the top. Reinstall the top one, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.